Well, this is a trail that we're going to go up. We have to make sure we read the signs. It says beware of rattlesnakes. Stay on trails.
No, the spiders are...
Which we plan to do here. So, okay, we're heading up that way. All right. We're on, I think, Crow Bluff Island. At the start of this trail here, we're going to be heading up. So that's why I'm hanging in the back here. And he said once we get up higher, there may be a little more of a trail going down, which I'm looking forward to here. So I like the downs better than the ups. So, okay, let's go take a look at the trail. What's up ahead here? Well, we kind of have a decision to make here. It looks like we're not going to Mount Crow because we're going to the right. So we're probably going to Sand Beach or West Ridge because we're heading this way. Okay. There's our boat out there, the National Geographic Quest, as we're walking along on our trail here. Still going uphill a little bit, but it's not been too bad so far. Very warm day though, very warm. Don't need all these clothes on. Wish I had the zip-off pants so I put the shorts on, but that's the way it goes. Another decision point, and we are going left, of course, or straight ahead. So that's basically Sand Beach, which he said is really not too much sand. Praying mantis down there. It's right down there. I don't know if you can see, I might be too close to him. I don't know. He goes away. Okay, leave him alone. And as usual, I'm picking them up, putting them down. Picking them up, putting them down here as we go along. Okay. We're hiking on the trail, as you can see up ahead there. And really no animals or anything here, no birds. Everything's pretty much dried out this time of year, so everything's brown. So not much to see, just you know, that's where we came from, and have our guide up there explaining different things.
This is a dried up tumbleweed with all its little seed pods already dispersed and everything like that. So this is what that Ukrainian thistle looks like when it's all dried out and ready to roll. So, yeah, I think this one looks like most of its seeds already left it. So it's probably. Oh no, there's still some left. So as it.
You're helping.
Yeah, I'm helping spread an invasive plant. So, yeah, this is kind of the classic tumbleweed.
All right, gave it a tumble. There he goes. He's going away. He's in the shadows now. All right, we'll leave him alone. Okay.